In this video, we're doing a quick conversion between frequency and period for a sound wave. So in the problem, we're told that middle C, which is also called C4 in the so-called scientific pitch notation, has a frequency of about 261.6 hertz. So here's what a middle C sounds like. Now, when that sound wave arrives at your ear, it's vibrating your eardrum at that same frequency of about 261.6 hertz. And what we want to do in this problem is convert that to a period of oscillation for your eardrum when you hear this note. In other words, how much time does it take for a single oscillation of your eardrum? So remember, what frequency is giving us is oscillations per second. It's just that oscillations don't formally have a unit associated with them. So we have oscillations per second. That is completely the same as saying 1 over seconds because oscillations don't have units. And we also call that 1 hertz. Now, period is going to be the time per oscillation, or it will be measured in seconds per oscillation. Again, oscillations don't formally have a unit, so period is just measured in seconds. Well, just comparing these two expressions, frequency being oscillations per second and period being seconds per oscillation, we see that these two quantities are reciprocals of each other. So I can say period is 1 over frequency, and all I have to do is sub that frequency in for our middle C, and that was a 261.6 hertz frequency. Remember, hertz are 1 over seconds, so when I divide by that, I get seconds. And when I run the numbers on this, I get 0.003823 seconds. And it's probably better to express this in milliseconds. So this is going to be 3.823 milliseconds, or a little less than 4 thousandths of a second for each oscillation of your eardrum when you're hearing this note. If you enjoyed this video, or at least found it useful, check out another one by clicking one of the links on the left, or click the Zach's Lab logo on the right to explore dozens of physics and math playlists. As always, you can leave your questions, comments, and requests in the comments section below, and I'll get back to you within 24 hours. Thanks for watching Zach's Lab, and best of luck on your math and physics journey.